Pre.
Hi Ate Shera, thank you for your life and happy birthday. And yun, tumatanda ka na, so on and so forth. And yun, you know, you're the coolest person around too and the funniest one. Kasi even though na hindi man super phlegma mo in some ways, you keep up throwing up jokes and also such things na that make us really laugh. And that was very cool and very funny. Yun, yung pinaka siguro pinaka hindi ko makakalimutan na part is that time na nag-edit tayo after national conference. Yun yung time na nakaano pa tayo, fresh pa tayo galing national conference, naka best attire ka pa and everything. Tapos nag-edit tayo. At that time, nawala ni Genesis yung yung photo mo. Tapos hindi niya mahanap. And then at that time, super depressed mo dun talaga kasi pinaghirapan mo talaga yun, yung nasira daw yung voice mo, kaka-picture lang, and then wala niya lang. Then naubos talaga yung time niya kakahanap noon. And at that time, yung super gabing-gabi na, basta tawa ako nung nakatulog ka sa monoblock. Bakit? Kasi, as in, kaya mong sandalin yung monoblock na yun. And then yung time na yun, ginigising ka namin. Sabi, ate, gising ka na. And sabi mo, ayoko na, gusto na matulog. Suko na ako. And at that time, yung kinamagagaan, tinanong ka namin, hindi mo maalala. Yun yung pinaka-nakakatong kasi di mo talaga yung itsura mo nun. But that was very one of the funny things. And I hope nadagdagan pa yun through the years na makakasama ka namin as an ate. And also as a leader in our ministry. And thank you sa life mo. I pray for more blessings sa family, sa disciples mo and everything. Thank you for your life and God bless and happy birthday.